Welcome to 200 Dove Drive. So we enter in the foyer and enter straight into the living room. The focal piece of a gas fireplace. High ceilings. There's additional seating area here, plus the sunroom. And then open into the dining area and into the kitchen. Through the French door, we have a screened-in deck overlooking a beautiful backyard. And then, as I said, the eating area. Kitchen with granite countertops. Built-in microwave and side-by-side refrigerator. Breakfast bar. And some additional pantry storage here with the pull-out shelving. Built-in desk. Some additional storage here. Door to the garage. And a half bath here for guests. Tucked in behind the kitchen, we have a laundry room. And then upstairs, we have a very large bonus room with some attic storage there. We'll go back through our kitchen, through the foyer, and into the hall. And the first of our bedrooms is on the front of the house with some great built-ins flanking the window. In addition to some good closet storage. The second bedroom has the high windows, high ceiling. Just a standard closet here. Hall bath at the end of the hall with storage, good lighting, tub shower combo. Linen closet. Then our master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet. Plenty of room for his and hers. A double tray ceiling with a fan. And the coup de grace, the master bathroom, lots of storage, his and her vanities. Walk-in shower. And the jetted tub beneath the beautiful chandelier to relax after a long, hard day. The plantation blinds throughout. Lawn care can be included with this property if you desire for an additional fee. If this looks like your new home, please give us a call at Chattanooga Property Management. This is 200 Dove Drive, Ringgold, Georgia, in the Meadows subdivision.